Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make money with ElevenLabs Payouts. So as you can see, I'm now in ElevenLabs and you just need to go to Payouts right here. So tap on Payouts right here, and as you can see, you can earn cash rewards for sharing your voice model in the ElevenLabs voice library. So as you can see, you can turn your voice into passive income. So basically what you need to do is you need to create your professional voice clone, then share it to the voice library, and then simply earn money, earn rewards. As you can see, you can earn a lot of money just by passively, uploading your voice to the voice library, and then make a passive income, choose your rates, claim your niche, build your brand, track your earnings, and take control. So what you do need is you need to create or link your Stripe account. So just tap on this button right here. This will redirect you to Stripe, and basically what you need to do is you just need to fill in your email, and this way they can pay you. Right, and then you need to create a professional voice clone. I will show you how to do that in a few minutes, and then share your voice model in the voice library. So right here you can see all of your earnings and your past payouts. Personally, I haven't done this, but I will show you how you can do it yourself. So as you can see, you can just earn a lot of money. As you see right here, like $130 per day, and a lot of people are generating a lot of money with this right now. Alright, so what you need to do is you need first to clone your voice. So cloning your voice is basically talking in a microphone for like 30 minutes, around 30 minutes, clear voice, clear speaking, and basically what you need to do is you need to let me go to this one, let me see, right here, then go to voices right here, and then tap on add generative or cloned voice, and then you need to tap on professional voice cloning. So you do need a professional voice cloning account in order to get payouts for ElevenLabs and to really start earning money. You cannot use the instant voice cloning because it's not that good. It is decent, but it's not that good so that people can use it. So again, use this one. So you do need a paid plan for this. Creator Plus only. So it's only $11 per month for the first month. I recommend you using the link in the description down below, so you get the best discount there is available. But you get the first month 50% off. You can always cancel it. So it's only $11, but do not choose the starter one because that won't work. So again, just go to, once you're signed in, let me see. Once you're signed in and have a paid plan, you just need to tap on this one. Then talk in the microphone for at least 30 minutes and talk clear, talk really no background sound, and then just upload your voice to the voice library right here. So you can see all of the voices with this little golden icon next to it. Those are professional professional voice clones, so you can use them. People can use them, and you can make passive income from that, because of course the people that are using them are paying ElevenLabs. And this way ElevenLabs can pay the people that uploaded a voice. So as you can see, all of these voices are just making passive income very easy. Again, use a lot of keywords to really rank, and people can search for it. For example, let's say TikTok. As you can see, perfect voice for TikTok narration, YouTube narration, Instagram Reels, Instagram narrations, YouTube Shorts, etc. So this way your voice ranks first, or at least very high, in the ElevenLabs search algorithm. And you can filter, and you can see a lot of voices. You can just test them, and this way you can hopefully make a lot of money. So basically I hope this video is kind of helpful. If you have any questions, just let them know down below. And again, if you want to get started with ElevenLabs Payouts, if you want to make money, you just need a professional plan, a creator plan, and this way you can earn money. So again, the link is in the description down below, and I see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching.